Hey guys, today we're going to talk about counterclaims. The purpose of a counterclaim is to avoid double lawsuits. Okay, for example, when the plaintiff sues the defendant, okay, and the defendant has another claim against the plaintiff, it does not make sense for the defendant to file a separate new lawsuit against the plaintiff, the one who is suing him. So what the defendant does when he gets sued is to file a counterclaim against the plaintiff. As you are aware from my earlier videos, when the defendant receives the writ of summons, he has 14 days after entry of appearance to file his defense. If he alleges that he has any claim or is entitled to any relief or remedy against the plaintiff, the person suing him, he can file a counterclaim in the same action. Examples would be a bank suing a customer for unpaid debt. The customer counterclaims, that means sues back the bank for fraud in procuring the debt. The court will sort out the different claims in one lawsuit rather than have two lawsuits, the bank suing the customer suing the bank, two separate lawsuits. It's a waste of the court's time. The counterclaim is always attached to the defense. There's no such thing as a standalone counterclaim. So the heading of the defendant's pleading would be defense and counterclaim. So the first part would be the defense, and then the second part would be the counterclaim. The counterclaim would usually state that the defendant repeats paragraph 1 to whatever of the defense by way of counterclaim. And then the defendant will have to state the facts that he relies on in his claim against the plaintiff in sequential order. Let me give you an example. A client of mine was sued for unpaid invoices. As you can see over here, this is the statement of claim. The plaintiff alleged that my client, the defendant, did not pay certain invoices. My client counterclaimed because the goods supplied were defective, and when he used the goods were essentially chemicals. When he used the chemicals to manufacture detergent, the goods destroyed his whole batch of detergent, so causing wastage of labor costs, wastage of raw materials, blah 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 blah. After the defense and counterclaim is served to the plaintiff has 14 days to issue a reply to any matters raised in the defense, as well as a defense to counterclaim. In other words, the plaintiff has to defend the counterclaim. He has to give reasons why in the defense to counterclaim that he is not liable under the counterclaim. So thanks for watching this video on counterclaims.